Talked to my dad on the phone today. He broke down and apologized. Said he's sorry for the way things got fucked up, and he wish he did a better job. Couldn't see his face, but I could hear his watered eyes. I could hear him loud and clear, wonder what am I? Understand me, I just wanna see him try. But he didn't wanna see it, so he just shut his eyes. Told him don't sweat it, I'm good, I'm fine. Your childhood was no harder than mine. I know he's your dad, but motherfuck my grandpa and the daughters that he victimized in the way that he treated his sons when your brother was alive once upon a time. And I know that you still don't believe in the way that he died. Honestly, neither do I, but we just comply. Nod our head, move on. Brand new city, new wife, new mom. All those days you whooped my ass, those same nights I wished you gone. So I hid in the bathroom and I wrote my first song without a beat. Hid the dirty clothes underneath the crack in the door so you couldn't ever see my feet. Let the water run so you couldn't hear my voice. Hid the notebook so you never ever knew. Song after song, page after page, day after day, writing songs about you. So when you say that you proud of me now, can't explain what that means. We are who we are because of that shit. So no, I don't wanna be
in a perfect world where nothing ever goes wrong. Far, far away from me, no water from the tears. I wonder how they ever go. In a perfect world where nothing ever goes wrong. Far, far away from me, no water from the tears. I wonder how they ever go.
Unboxing.
Så du kan säga munkar också.
Munkar.
Det?
Ja, antagligen. Honda.
De var fan feta alltså.
Passa på. Vad papperna kan du spara?
Hur mycket kostar de? 2 kronor? Va? Men de här, de var feta alltså. Men de var snygga. Det var de. Hur känns det? First impressions. Det är bra, det är bra. Här har vi riktiga handskar däremot. Uff.
Passar de?
Ja, de passar.
Bra. Okej, vill jag tillbaka.
Det är godkänt.
Det är godkänt.
Super.
Perfekt.
to my big bro today. He broke down and apologized. Said he's sorry for the way things got fucked up, and he wish he did a better job. As he rolled up a blunt of some medical pine, lit it, but he didn't want to hit it this time. Hands started shaking and then he started crying. Shit had been building in the pit of his mind. He said, I wish I never robbed my brothers. I wish I never robbed those bitches. Now anytime somebody can't find they shit and they can't find me, then I'm suspicious. Don't nobody think I'm sufficient, and my time is ticking. I wish I never dropped out of school. Now I was either sell dope or wash them dishes. I said, look, my friend, my dog, I know you feel lost and that's real, but you wouldn't wanna feel warmer inside if you never had gotten them chills. Could you save your son from falling this far if you don't know how that shit feels? If Anthony never OD'd and died, then I would probably still be popping pills. Rest his soul. We are who we are. You don't enjoy thinking back that far, cause shit wasn't easy, most times it was hard. But the darkest of nights make the brightest of stars. So be the light in the dark, fuck being the norm. Some days I wish it was easier too, but shit, we were not born
In a perfect world where nothing ever goes wrong. Far, far away from me, no water from the tears. I wonder how they ever go. In a perfect world where nothing ever goes wrong. Far, far away from me, no water from the tears. I wonder how they ever go. In a perfect world